I have a Warco WM12 mill, and I keep having problems with the silly plastic gears. So I've been chatting to somebody with regards to making me a belt drive conversion kit for it, and after many emails backwards and forwards and measurements and everything, he's finally sent me this. It came last night. It looks to be very nicely made. It's a small pulley for the motor, a larger pulley for the spindle, because I still wanted to keep the quill movement for drilling, and comes with a belt and everything as well. So I thought I'd do a video of fitting it and seeing how it works. So it looks to be very well made. It's all aluminium. The chap lives in Turkey. I was a bit concerned to start with about buying something from somebody in Turkey. Although saying that, I didn't. He just sent it me to check dimensions and everything at the moment, so I haven't paid for anything yet. I will put a link in the description to the website, because although a lot of other belt conversions have been done for other machines, nothing seems to be done for the smaller Warcos. So hopefully this will all fit and work nice. Bit concerned the belt might not be man enough. It's 5mm by 3mm, I think it is. But then saying that, I've got on my little Porter lathe, I've got a 5mm belt, so we shall see what happens. Sorry, but somehow I managed to lose the video I took of fitting the belt conversion kit, but it's relatively straightforward. Hope you'll excuse the camera wobbling about. I had to remove the center shaft that the idler gear goes on, the bit that the motor gear normally connects to, but apart from that, it was relatively straightforward. I even got the speed control, which is nice. It's the original speed control. It runs very smooth and very quiet. Not a lot to say about it really. It was very straightforward to fit, as I say, apart from removing that shaft. But no more gears, no more noise. The only noise I got is when I raise or lower the Z-axis. I've put that on naught. I couldn't get although I could get the shaft out, I couldn't get the plastic gears out inside without taking all the spindle off, and I wasn't going to do that. So what I've done, for if anybody else is doing it, once you've got the shaft out, push the gear over to the back out the way, and then I've put a piece of steel tube down through the hole so the gear can't come and fall against the spindle. I thought that was easier than messing about. Yes, I've left that on naught. I mean, that still it still works, but it doesn't do anything. That was fun, getting the ball bearings back in there and the spring. What I'd done was tilted the head right over and put it back in that way. But I'm very pleased how it turned out. I did say it was all aluminium, but it's not. These two bits are steel, so they're nice and strong. It's not weak. No weakness anywhere on it, apart from, say, I'm not sure about the belt yet, but 5 minutes to change a belt, and you've got a nice bit of adjustment on there for when you get a bit of stretch. I hope everybody can see what exactly what I've done. No drilling, no nothing, just bolting on the original holes. But very pleased. Thank you very much. That's 1470, which I think is ample, and it's so smooth and quiet. I'm very pleased with it, I must admit. No more plastic gears to worry about. Even the where is it? I've lost it now. Sorry about wobbling around. Even the shroud will fit on, albeit I need to make a couple of mountings to bolt it on, but it does actually go over and covers all this up, and I should make something similar to this to go here to bolt it on. And I've got a pillar at the back here, so I may be able to do something to bolt it on there as well, because I need to bolt this cable for the Z-axis, or the quill should I say. Need to fix that in place, because at the moment before it was on the two bolts that were holding the shroud on. But I'm very pleased with it. I've also got a stepper motor fitted on there, and there's a power control for it, and I've got it switched, so although the power's on, it's off because I've switched to 24 volts, and I've switched the two windings, because if I didn't, if I wound the handle manually, which you have to do sometimes, it will send current back up to the controller and knacker the controller, because they act as a dynamo. So the switch I've used cuts to 24 volts and both windings. Turn it on, you have a button for slow, although you can have it whatever speed you want, because you can speed it up and slow it down on the pot. And I have it going a bit faster the other way, but even that's nice and quiet. I have it a bit faster going the other way because I usually only cut in conventional milling, not Klein milling, although I do that occasionally. But I'd say I will add the link to the chap's name's Murat, M-U-R-A-T. I'll put a link in the description if anybody wants to contact him, and with regards to buying one. Say I'm pleased with it. I haven't used it that much. I've used it a little bit just to make sure it all works all right, but I've had enough today, so I'm going indoors and having a cup of tea. I hope everybody enjoyed that. Thank you very much.